All right, we decided to film this one because it's just so unique. We've never seen something like it. Granted, we don't look for bunkhouses. So this is a 2020 Keystone 3400 QD. It's almost 40 feet. We only went in to begin with because we said, oh, let's see how big a 40-foot travel trailer is, which we don't want 40 feet. It's 7,500 unloaded. We don't want 40 feet because we want to get into national parks, but we just wanted to see the difference. So the first thing we noticed is there wasn't two doors, or so we thought. So like I said, maybe this is something you see every day, but we haven't seen it. I've never seen it on any videos online, nothing. Nice little pantry space. All right. The bed is right up front, no bedroom. It's purely just living. It's a queen, not for us. But I see lots of options for renovations and the rest of it that could make it for us. Lots of seating, dinette, okay. Regular TV, everything's pretty standard. Spice rack is nice, but I'd probably rather put my own because it's way bigger than something I would use. Bathroom, smaller, considering how long the RV is. I don't see why. Why'd they make it so small? I mean, there's no way I could sit there. I'd have to open the shower for sure. More storage. Lots of cabinets. But this is the crazy part. It's a bunkhouse for 4.
It's huge.
It's massive in here. Like
the bed is huge. Like I could totally sleep up here. Like it's amazing.
It is awesome.
And there's a separate door.
And then the door to the back. So the kids have their own entrance and exit. It's got the nice steps. But yeah, I mean the first thing I thought of is, wow, I wonder if we could take this wall out, make this a massive king bed, and this is the size of our bedroom at home. It would be awesome. But once again, the bathroom does it for me.
The bathroom, maybe.
Yeah, make the whole front a bathroom.
I don't think I can get down.
Jump. I'm going to videotape it. Oh, God. There you go. So, yeah, like it sucks to me that the bathroom would be right here in this space when you have all this space here. Granted, you need the walkway, but with redesign, like it blows my mind that they wouldn't make this RV and give an option where this is the living room or the bedroom. And that could be the bunkhouse. Screw the kids, right? But
Oh, God. You can't say stuff like that.
Why not? We don't have kids. So, yeah, just thought we'd show it. See you later.